Let's talk about the iPhone 4S on iOS 6.1.3. Does it still holds up after all these years? Is this phone still usable in 2026? Let's check out. Firstly, talking about the design, this phone is all metal glass design, still looks premium in hands than most other smartphones in 2026. I think Apple has hired some finest engineers to work on this phone design. This phone has a 3.5-inch display with a home button on the bottom to operate most of the mobile tasks. The side has a volume rockers and a mute switch. The bottom has a mic grill and a speaker grill with 30-pin charging port in the center. Apple pushed the phone updates to iOS 9.0, which was really not necessary as the hardware is not capable of running iOS 9.0. So the phone became really slow, can't perform the simple tasks like opening apps quickly and playing games. So I decided to downgrade my iPhone 4S from iOS 9 to iOS 6.1.3. There are multiple tutorials on YouTube how to downgrade from iOS 9 to iOS 6 on iPhone 4S. And to my surprising, iPhone performed as expected on iOS 6.1.3 with smoother animations and quick response to touch. The unlocking sounds and locking sounds on iOS 6.1.3 are really satisfying. I believe iPhone 4S flies on iOS 6.1.3 as you would see in this video. I use my iPhone 4S mostly to listen to music with a wide 3.5mm earphones. I use it as an iPod in 2026 because using it as a main phone would be quite difficult in 2026 as there is no official support of most of the social media apps and banking apps. I must say one should have this phone in their collection to experience the beauty of this phone. I'm really happy for having this phone in my collection. What do you people think of this masterpiece? Will you use this phone or will you buy this phone and use it as a daily driver in 2026 for casual calling and texting? Let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Sam Render as I post videos related to technology and gaming. I thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you people are doing great. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.